Studying abroad sounds exciting until you face those endless assignments and midnight exams. So what's smarter, studying alone or joining a group? Today, we'll compare both styles, reveal what really works abroad, and help you find your perfect balance. Stay till the end for pro-level focus tips used by top international students. When you move abroad, your study routine completely changes. You're balancing classes, part-time work, and sometimes a new language. That's why it's important to choose how you study, not just what you study. Group studies and solo sessions both have benefits, but they depend on your learning style. Group study can be a game changer, especially when everyone contributes. You share notes, explain topics, and get motivated by others. In countries like the UK and Australia, most universities even promote peer learning clubs. But beware, choose your group wisely. A distracted group can waste more time than you think. Solo study gives you full control. You can focus at your own pace, plan flexible hours, and use online tools like flashcards or Pomodoro timers. This style is perfect if you're introverted or easily distracted. Many Nepali students abroad choose solo sessions during work breaks or late nights. Let's compare quickly. Group study, more ideas, faster learning, builds confidence, scheduling issues, risk of gossip and distraction. Solo study, deep focus, flexible time, can get lonely, no instant feedback. The trick? Balance both. Top students abroad use a hybrid method. Group sessions for complex subjects, solo time for revision. Test it yourself. 1 week group, 1 week solo, and see which improves your grades and confidence. If you're studying abroad soon, remember, it's not about working harder, it's about studying smarter. Here are a few quick hacks from Nepali students overseas. Join campus study clubs early. Use shared Google Docs and Notion boards. Record difficult lectures and replay during solo hours. Don't burn out. Take breaks. Whether you study alone or with a group, what truly matters is consistency and self-awareness. Your learning journey abroad is unique. Own it, refine it, and enjoy every step. If you enjoyed this guide, hit subscribe for more tips on thriving abroad, from study hacks to student life essentials. Study smart, stay focused, and make your time abroad worth it.